Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the compass grid system on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Your watch will automatically use decimal degrees on the compass, but if you would prefer to change this to another grid system, such as the military grid system, follow the steps. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Compass. Scroll down to Grid System and choose the system that you would like. The compass on your watch will now switch to the grid system you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.